Let's take a moment now to have a look at how to reflect in a diagonal. So we've got two shapes here, and let's take the shape on the right first, and let's call it shape A. And the general rule is that when you reflect in a mirror line, then each point reflects to the same distance the other side of the line, but it's got to reflect in a perpendicular manner. So see this point here, the perpendicular to the line is like this. So it's going to reflect somewhere on the line. It starts off the diagonal of one square away, so it reflects the same distance the other side. This one here, the perpendicular to the mirror line goes like that and goes through 1.5 diagonals, so 1.5, the other side is there. It's probably a good idea at this stage to say, right, that point reflects there, that to there, and they join up to each other. So join them up now. This point here, that's 1.5, so 1.5 the other side. That goes to there, so that goes to there. Let's see on our object, this point reflects up. Oh, sorry, that point joins up to this point here. Now, as you can see, that's across the mirror line. So when it reflects in the mirror line, it's actually going to go back to the first side where we started from. Let's get a stronger pen. So that point reflected to there, and so that one joins up to there. Now, as you can see, the shape starting to take shape, and at this stage you can probably say, well, I can see where the rest of it's going to go, and you can draw it in. So at that point there's a perpendicular, goes up there, and we've got our down line, it's going to go down here. If you're not so sure about where the shape's going to go to, you can carry on doing it point by point, that's fine. But you can see that the shape, it's not changed size, it's not changed, none of the angles have changed. It's the same shape, but it's just been reflected. And a way to check is to turn the paper around and say, right, if my mirror line is vertical, does that look like it's been reflected? And of course, yes, it does. Just to show you with a second object as well, that another way to do this is to say, well, so suppose you can turn your page, which you can in your exam, and so that the mirror line is indeed vertical, and start with that point, and then you just reflect it as you would anything. So that distance, the other side, goes to there, that distance goes to there. You can join those up. And this is going to reflect across to there, so join those up, and you can see it just looks the same but on the other side. So this is going to go up 3 squares, and you complete the shape. Okay, so here we go, object and image.